Hello guys, the Sydney Trains in New South Wales training channel speaking to you. Just thought I'd film S-sets passing, running in Penrith, front 4 cars, S61, rear 4 cars, S64. Now, there's a C-set passing over Flying Junctions, I think, heading towards the city circle, and will be arriving on the platform number 17. Front 4 cars, C9. I'm just before Central on my way back from Newcastle, and I'm currently on Oscar H20 car ON 5920. I actually saw the field today, so that's pretty cool. The rear 4 cars looks like C14. Yes, C14 is the rear 4 cars on this set. And I've just stopped. And underneath that there's a K-set. And yes, Oscar's about to pass. I don't know what the sets are, guys. Yeah, heading to maybe Gosford. Who knows, really? So, yeah, anyway guys, that was pretty much about it. So I'm going to wrap up the tour, so don't forget to leave thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and favorite video. I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.